Quick, graph y equals e to the quantity of x minus 1 power by hand 2 different ways. This is part of the family of functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during the video. The first way is with the e to the x dance. Now normally we plot all points with respect to the origin 0, 0, but because of the minus 1 inside the function up in the exponent, all points are shifted to the right 1 unit. Even our origin we shift to the right to 1, 0. That'll be our new origin. And all points will be plotted with respect to this new origin. So on the e to the x, we go right 0 up 1, because e to the 0 is 1. Right 1 up e, which is 2.7. We include these values here. These are the powers of e that you should know to graph the e to the x function and the natural log function. Right 2 up e squared, which is about 7.4. Left 1 up e to the negative 1, which is about 0.4. And left 2 up 0.14, which is about e to the negative 2. Draw the horizontal asymptote, the x-axis, or the line y equals 0. And using that as a boundary line, we'll connect the points to get that e to the x looking curve. Comparing that to the parent function, you can see that for each y value, the blue graph is shifted to the right 1 unit. Second way is using a table. Again, we'll recall those powers of e here when we make our table. We're going to add 1 to each of the x coordinates because of that minus 1 in the exponent there. This is a horizontal shift to the right. So 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. But we keep the y coordinates the same, so it's going to be 3, 7.4. Add 1 to 1 and you get 2, but we keep the y coordinate the same, so 2, 2.7. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 1. Go ahead and finish the table. Press pause and resume when you're ready. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, 0.4. And negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, 0.14. Draw the horizontal asymptote, the x-axis, and use that as a boundary line to connect the points. And we compare it to the parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals e to the quantity of x minus 4 power. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here is your answer, shifted to the right 4 units.